1 year since I started using M1 Finance. Imagine having a single platform that lets you invest, save, borrow, and spend all while growing your wealth effortlessly. I've seen firsthand how powerful this tool can be for building a solid financial future. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, stick around because I'm about to reveal the real pros and cons of using M1 Finance as your all in one financial solution. We're going to talk about the pros and cons, how M1 Finance can be utilized as a family bank, and break down the earn, invest, borrow, and spend categories. I'll also share my thoughts on the platform's low cost, ease of borrowing, and why it's a great tool for long term DIY investors. So let's get started. So far this year, I've really taken advantage of the three key parts of M1 Finance's platform: the earn, invest, and spend. Each of these played a critical role in helping me grow my portfolio to over $15,000. Starting with earn, this feature has been a fantastic way to maximize the cash I keep on hand. By leveraging the interest I earn in my high yield cash account, I've ensured that any idle cash isn't just sitting there, it's actually working for me. The interest earned might seem small in the short term, but over time, it contributes to the overall growth of my portfolio. Next, invest. By setting up automated weekly deposits about halfway through the year, I've been able to consistently add $100 each week to my portfolio, taking advantage of the dollar cost averaging strategy. This steady approach has been key to growing my investments, particularly my largest holdings in SCHD and DGRO, which have had solid performance this year. Finally, spend. The M1 spend account has been incredibly convenient for managing my day to day finances. This is where the bulk of my focus has been. I've used M1 Finance customizable pies to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with my long term goals. The owner's reward credit card allows me to earn cash back on my purchases, which I then funnel directly and automatically back into my investment account. It's a seamless way to ensure that every dollar I spend is still contributing to my financial growth. Together, these three parts, earn, invest, and spend, have helped me build a strong, diversified portfolio that now totals over 15,000. The best part is how integrated and easy to use M1 Finance makes this process, allowing me to manage my finances efficiently and effectively all in one place. I have yet to utilize the borrow feature, but you will need at least $2,000 invested in qualified holdings according to M1 Finance before you're able to borrow on margin against your portfolio. The current rate is roughly 2% above the federal funds rate, and versus some other brokerages out there, that's a very competitive rate. Let's talk about the idea of using M1 Finance as a family bank. This concept has gained traction because M1 Finance offers a comprehensive suite of tools that make it easy to manage your family's finances all in one place. You can seamlessly combine investment accounts, savings, and even spending accounts, making it a one stop shop for your financial needs. The ability to integrate various accounts, such as joint, custodial, and taxable brokerage accounts, gives you complete control over your family's financial strategy. Let's get into the pros of M1 Finance. Low cost. M1 Finance is incredibly cost effective, especially with its no fee model. The low cost makes it accessible for investors of all sizes. Fractional shares, the ability to purchase portions of one holding of a particular stock or ETF, makes this platform a go to one stop shop for the long term DIY investor. Ease of use. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to navigate whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. The ability to set up and manage different accounts, like custodial, joint, and taxable, to name a few, makes it a versatile tool for family. Customization. M1's Pi based investment approach allows for deep customization. You can build your portfolio exactly how you want it, and with the ability to automate deposits and the rebalancing feature. The M1 Finance mobile app is fantastic for managing your investments on the go. It's intuitive, responsive, and makes it easy to stay on top of your finances no matter where you are. Here are the cons with M1 Finance. Limited real time trading. One drawback is the lack of real time trading. M1 Finance executes trades during specific windows, which might not be ideal for those who want more control over the exact timing of their trades. Borrowing limitation. While I have yet to use M1 Borrow, I do know there is a maintenance requirement if you are borrowing on margin. While the M1 Borrow is a great feature, it might be restrictive for those looking to leverage their portfolio more aggressively. Learning curve. For beginners, there can be a bit of a learning curve in understanding how to build and manage pies effectively. However, Once you get the hang of it, the platform becomes very user friendly. For long term DIY investors like myself, M1 Finance is a dream. It gives you full control over your investments, allowing you to set up recurring deposits, automate your investing, and adjust your portfolio whenever you need to. Plus, with the variety of account types available, it's easy to manage all aspects of your financial life all in one place. Whether you're saving for your child's future with a custodial account, managing a joint account with your spouse, or growing your wealth in a taxable brokerage account, M1 Finance provides those tools you need to succeed. The platform's ease of use combined with its powerful features make it an excellent choice for those who want to take charge of their financial future. After a full year of using M1 Finance, I am really impressed with what the platform has to offer. It's low cost, easy to use, and provides a comprehensive solution for managing both investments and everyday finances. Whether you're considering M1 Finance as a family bank, or just looking for a versatile platform to grow your investments over time, it's definitely worth a look. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Investing Attitude Mindset for more insights on investing and financial management. I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with M1 Finance. Drop a comment below and let's chat. Until next time, keep your investing attitude strong, and I'll see you in the next video.